Hi, I'm Alice, and this is Plant Slut. If you read the title, then you already realized that today's video is about 5 plants that I hate. But it's pretty much my fault that I hate them. Either I haven't got the care down, or I bought them and thought I would like them, but I don't. It's not their fault, but I kind of hate them. So let's do that. So our first guy is this one in here. This is Philodendron Tortum. And as you can see, he's not in the best shape. He's got some yellow leaves. And right there in the middle, that's a new growth that has been there since I got it. I got it about a few months ago as a plug. But he's so ugly. Like, he just dries, and I don't know if he gets enough water, but he's just so ugly. Like, at the same time as I got this guy, I got Monstera celtibacana also as a plug, and it's grown that much. And it's like, you know, like, you're so ugly, but like, why can't you be more like Monstera celtibacana? Monstera celtibacana is fuckable, you know? He's just like, you know, he's just sitting there, growing, being fuckable. But like, this guy, nobody wants to fuck that. Nobody. Our second plant is peace lily. This guy, I mean, there's nothing wrong with him. He looks fine. I just don't like them, and I don't know why I bought it. Like, I'm a dummy. Why did I do that? I just don't like him. But he is good because I can use him as an indicator plant for watering. You know, he flops and then I water. But I just don't like him. He's just ugly. Our third plant is this guy. This is Epiphyllum guatemalense variety monstrose, or curly Sue, I guess is what they call it. You can see how limp it is. Like, it's really dehydrated, and it came that way, but it had roots, and it's never hydrated, and I don't think it's grown at all. That looks like new growth, but I don't think it is. That bit's okay, but it's all, like, look at how wrinkly it is. Like, it shouldn't be that way. It should be better than that, you know? And I've had it for months and months and months, and it's never hydrated, so that's another one that is going to be repotted. It's just ugly, you know? The next one is actually the fern that I repotted in a video, and then I did not remember to keep watering it to get the media nice and damp, and all the leaves dried off. I'm sure it's still alive and you can see the media is nice and damp now, but it has been dry. So it'll probably come back, but it's just ugly at the moment. Should trim that off, but whatever. So plant number 5 is Anthurium coriaceum. Now I have 2 of these, one here and one there. And I don't know, I sort of bought them because they were cheap and I was going to resell them after I'd grown them out a bit. but I've just never, I don't know, there's just, I mean, the leaves are always a little bit yellow. I don't know if you can see that. And they're just not the happiest dudes. They're actually listed on the IUCN Red List, which I think at the time I was like, oh, that's good, I'll be able to grow them and care for them and like, you know, species conservation and shit. But it's just ugly. I mean, when it gets mature, it's sort of better, but I mean, the leaves get longer, but they just, I mean, it's sort of cute. It is sort of cute, but that one looks okay. But this one, like all of the leaves, sort of yellow, and I've never, because it's not a plant that I like, I've never really bothered to get the care down. So, I mean, it probably needs some kind of nutrient that I'm missing, or maybe like the temperatures aren't right or something. But I've never bothered to look up the care because I just don't care. But I don't know, maybe I'll look up the care and do something about it. That's a nice leaf though, it's nice and thick. Yeah, I don't quite know, and I feel like I can't, like, I've grown them out quite a bit, but I can't really sell it now because it's not pretty. I can't sell it, it's not pretty. Yeah, plant number 5. Anthurium, coriaceum. Okay, there we go, guys. That's 5 plants that I hate. If you have any like care tips on how I could be doing these better, let me know. Also, tell me plants that you hate and why.